My name is Amit Pagdar and I am the owner of Tatvamasi Engineering Pvt Limited. We are using LMW machines since 2006. We have purchased the first LMW Pilatus model in Rajkot and we are very much satisfied with the machine. There is no problem in the machines. In LMW machine, we believe that service required is very less, and we don't require so much support from LMW in terms of service. We believe that is good, that there is no service requirement in running production. But LMW service is also good and we are happy with the LMW machine. There is no problem. We are currently using 11 machines, turning machines from LMW, and we are planning to add more 8 machines in next 3 months. We are manufacturer of general engineering components. We are manufacturing pump and valve parts also. And currently we have entered in the aerospace market also, and we have given samples of almost 31 items to our, and for that item we are planning to buy LMW machines, and we have already given inquiry to LMW team. And we are using LMW machines for turning in hard part also. We are doing machining up to 60 HRC. We are also doing machining in aluminum and bronze and all other titanium ductile material. In all materials we are doing machining in LMW machines. We are getting high accuracy in machines. We are doing some components within 10 to 12 microns also with LMW machines, and its batch size is up to 500 pieces or 1000 pieces. That we are doing with LMW turning machines, and we are getting satisfactory result in that machine, and we have no problem in that machine. That machine is also 5 year old, and still now they are giving accuracy in 10 to 15 microns, and we are doing batch production in that items within 10 to 15 microns. There is no problem in that.